We will put on the corporates, no? Some will put on the corporates.
Okay.
So whatever I can afford, I will see. I can put some of my money into it. See, CCP has got certain limitations as far as that JSR, that rates and all are concerned. So they cannot basically give you the quality what we intend to put. So that is the reason that differences we'll have to bear, or we'll have to make someone to bear. So we will see that.
So you will.
I just came to inspect the market. You have seen the state of the market. So I think the cleanliness is very important first. So we need to start from somewhere, and for, what better place to start than the market. My advice to the mayor that to instead of sitting in the office, to come and have a round. That is very important. Even commissioner should have a round and see what is happening in the thing. Now, as far as the fish market is concerned, that we need to change the tiles. These people are feeling hot and all. I am also feeling hot. You are also feeling hot. I can see the sweat you are going through. So most important, these people need to basically do their business in comfort. So my proposal is to basically have fans in the first place for them. Car parking is the main issue. Car parking, there are no lights there. Now car parking, I just heard that who is taking the car parking, this thing is someone from municipality. I just don't trust them. Just give me a time. Just give me 1 month's time. You will meet back again here after 1 month's time.